Welcome back to Kamal Kunj Home Academy Encounter with Mathematics. In this session, we will discuss about how to find the sum of squares of the first n natural numbers. Now, how to find sum of the squares of first n natural numbers. Now let Sn be the sum of the squares of the first n natural numbers. Where k belongs to n natural number. Now let us consider the expression k cube minus k minus 1 cube where k belongs to n. Now we have k cube minus k minus 1 cube equal to k cube minus k cube minus 3 k square plus 3k minus 1. This is equal to k cube minus plus 3 k square minus 3k plus 1 is equal to 3k square minus 3k plus 1. This implies that k cube minus k minus 1 cube equal to 3k square is 3k plus 1. So we got the identity. So let us consider the identity k cube minus k minus 1 cube equal to 3k square minus 3k plus 1. Now putting k equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, n minus 1, n. The identity we get 1 cube minus 2 cube equal to 3, 1 square minus 3, 1 plus 1, and k equal to 2 comes 2 cube minus 1 cube equal to 3 into 2 square minus 3 into 2 plus 1. 3 cube minus twice cube equal to 3 into 3 cube minus 3 into 3 plus 1. Take n minus 1 cube, n minus 2 cube equal to 3 into n minus 1 cube plus 3 into n minus 1 plus 1. If k equal to n, that n cube minus n minus 1 cube equal to 3 into n cube plus 3 into n plus 1. Now let us add the column wise. By adding, we get this will be cancelled out. So here we get n to the power 3 minus 0. N to the power 3 minus 0, 3 equal to 3 1 square plus 2 square plus 3 square plus this will be square plus n square minus 3 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 1 plus n plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 2 n times. Thus we get this implies that n cube will be equal to 3 sigma k square k equal to 1 to n minus 3 sum of n, first n natural numbers is n into n plus 1 divided by 2 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 up to n times means plus n. This implies that 3 sigma k square k equal to 1 to n will be equal to n cube plus 3 n plus 1 upon 2 minus n. Now multiply by 2 both sides. 6 sigma k square k equal to 1 and n, this will be equal to twice n cube plus 3 n to n plus 1 minus twice n. This is equal to n is common, can be taken out, n twice n square plus 3 n plus 1 minus 2 is equal to n twice n square plus 3n plus 3 minus 2 is equal to n twice n square plus twice n plus n plus 1. Is equal to n plus 1 n take common twice n plus 1 plus n plus 1. This implies that 6 k square k equal to 1 to n equal to n plus 1 and twice n plus 1. This implies that k square 1 to n will be equal to n plus 1 and twice n plus 1 upon 6. This implies that Sn equal to n plus 1 twice n plus 1 divided by 6. So this is the sum of the squares of the first n natural numbers. Sn is sum of the squares of the first n natural numbers. Now we will stop here and continue further in the next session. Till then, goodbye and thanks for watching.